Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will understand basic definition which is required to understand sales tax. So first, what is a sales tax? A sales tax is a tax paid to a governing body for the sales of certain goods and services. Usually, laws allow or require the seller to collect funds for the tax from the consumer at the point of purchase. Laws may allow seller to itemize the tax separately from the price of goods or services, or require it to be included in the price, which is tax inclusive. The tax amount is usually calculated by applying a percentage rate to be the taxable price of sales. Now let's see what is a sale. Sale if below three conditions are true. First is the transfer of ownership. If particular product change its ownership, then there is a sale. Valuable consideration. We must have to consider value of particular sale. Movement of goods. Movement of goods will decide which type of sales tax to be imposed. Means this is the important condition, because if movement of goods will not there, then there will be no sale. Now let's see movement of goods. 1. Within state. When movement of goods within state, the tax employed on the item purchase will be value added tax, which is VAT. Interstate movement will cause CST, which is the central sales tax, to be employed. International, then export and custom duty will be there. Within state means movement sell in same state. For example, within Gujarat or Maharashtra or any other state. Interstate means movement from one state to another state. For example, Gujarat to Maharashtra, Maharashtra to Madhya Pradesh or any other state. International means movement out of India. Now let's see some important definition you should know. Type of dealer. Registered dealer. Firm registered with sales tax department, same state, and should have TIN number and CST number. Unregistered dealer. Firm registered sales tax department any state and don't have TIN number. Interstate dealer. From registered with sales tax department, not same state, and should have TIN number and CST number. Consumer, who will consume final product in the end. Composition dealer. Firm registered with tax department which is VAT under composition scheme. Firm neither avail input tax credit on purchase nor issue tax invoice. So these are the various required definitions to understand the tax. Thank you.